Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Android app access for EV charger location searches, beginner guide step by step clearly. To authorize access for EV charger location searches on your Android app, first, ensure your device is powered on and unlocked. Next, locate the specific app you want to use for EV charger searches. Tap on the app icon to open it. Upon opening the app, look for the Settings or Permissions option, usually found in the app menu or under your profile. Select the Settings or Permissions tab. Find the section related to location services or location permissions. Tap on it to view current permission settings. If location access is disabled, you will need to enable it. Switch the location access toggle to the on position. You may encounter a pop-up requesting permission for the app to access your device's location. Read the request carefully and tap Allow to grant access. If the option is available, select either while using the app or always to determine when the app can access your location. Once permissions are granted, return to the app's main screen. Look for the search bar or a button to find EV chargers nearby. Enter your desired location if needed to refine your search. The app should now be able to access your location and provide accurate results for EV charger searches. If you experience any issues, repeat the steps to ensure the permissions are correctly set. Close the app and reopen it to refresh the settings if necessary. You are now ready to search for EV chargers in your vicinity with your Android app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.